Alright, so over here we got bedroom number 2, okay? So as we can see, you can check it out over here. Alright, it's a pretty wide open bedroom. We got pretty nicely decorated the floor, okay? So that's pretty nice. We got 2 pretty big shelves over here, as we can see, decorated with a picture on the top. We got this place over here where we can leave all of our stuff, okay? So that's pretty nice. We can also have it covered by this over here, okay? We got this pretty big bed, as we can see. It's a double-sized bed, even more, as you can see, okay? We got over here this piece of furniture over here, which is pretty big too, and pretty nicely decorated also. Got a mirror over here, which is pretty big. Got a light over here, some pictures, okay? Got lots of drawers, so that's pretty nice. We got here this piece of furniture too, where we can hang our things, as we can see. We got another one over there, okay? We got a little desk over here, wooden, as we can see, with a chair. So that's pretty nice. And over here we got this balcony, okay? Which we can access through these 2 doors. And the balcony, as we can see, has these views. Alright, and the views from the inside are these ones over here, which are pretty nice, okay? And we got finally this wardrobe over here, okay, where we can store our things, our clothes. We got a lot of space, okay?